The high-speed pursuit in Georgia pushes past 115 miles an hour, weaving through traffic, risking lives, and ending in a way no one expected, underneath a house.
Jones County Sheriff's Office, if you don't come out, we're gonna send the dog in, you understand?
When deputies attempted a traffic stop on a red Mercedes with a tinted windshield and a license plate cover along Highway 49, the driver refused to pull over and hit the gas instead, instantly turning a simple traffic stop into a dangerous high-speed pursuit.
Point on center driveway.
Units spread through the neighborhood, setting up a quick perimeter. Moments later, an anonymous tip leads deputies to a home nearby, and sure enough, the suspect is found hiding in a crawl space beneath the house.
Jones County Sheriff's Office, you better come out with your hands up. If you don't, we're gonna send the dog in right now. Jones County Sheriff's Office, if you don't come out, we're gonna send the dog in, you understand? Get your butt down here now. I see you all the way down there at the end of the house. You better crawl to me. If you don't, there will be a dog that comes in here, you understand? I do see you, you understand? You don't have to answer any questions or make any statements, you understand, right? I'm gonna crawl all up under the house.
Go ahead, ain't
Gonna be nothing running.
Nah,
What you running for?
my license suspended.
Oh, we ain't doing all that for a suspended license. Now, come on.
I promise you.
The chase ends safely with no injuries, and one driver facing a long list of charges including felony fleeing and reckless driving, from 115 miles per hour to hiding under a house. This one shows how quickly a bad decision can go from high speed to downright low.